Alright, world. So I put it out there last night. A good 50% of you, excuse me, probably half of you, said you wanted to see me do some more cooking. So this is what I'm making for dinner today. I got 6 drumsticks that were locally sourced from the Amish. I got 6 slices of bacon that were not sourced from the Amish. I actually found that on clearance. There's a little store down in town that I don't even know what to call it, to be honest with you. They get Food City products, but it's called something else. And anyway, this is just a package of Smithfield bacon that I got on clearance for $1.99. I got 6 pieces of it out. I got the rest of it over there I'm going to fry. I just don't want to get the chicken on the bacon before I fry the bacon about where this camera is sitting. And I hope this janky little tripod that I'm using, I got no good angles in this kitchen. Perhaps I need to work on putting like a camera mount or something up above me on the wall. I don't have the answer, but I'm going to start with these 6 chicken drumsticks. I'm going to move the tripod out of the way before I trip over it. Oh, a little bit of olive oil. Let's see. This here, I just had that soap. There we go. This is actually cayenne peppers that I grew in my garden in Charleston last year that I dried. Yeah, fiery little mix in there. Just gonna get a good little coating. That. This is a little bit of basil that I bought from the Amish market in town. Mind you, I don't measure much of anything. Alright. Don't want to go too heavy on the salt because the bacon has salt as well. I just want salt on there to try to retain some of the moisture in the meat. And then we are going cracked black pepper. And a little bit of white pepper. Now, you can omit all this and just put like a McCormick's roasted garlic and herb like I usually do, or some sort of a savory something with that instead of spicy. Excuse me. However, my wife and I like spicy things. So, toss these around until they are evenly coated. Bang. Get those out of the way. Take the piece of bacon. Take the piece of chicken. And literally just roll it up. One down. You don't necessarily need to stick these with the toothpick. As long as you stick if you wrap it in such a way, you can just tuck the bacon underneath of it. Like so. You can also do this with chicken breast, chicken thighs. Hell, you could do this with a pork chop even. This basic little deal here, nothing fancy. See, now normally this is complete taboo, going from raw chicken to raw pork for food handling safety standards. They taught me that in culinary school. However, it's all cooking together and it's bacon wrapped chicken. So, it ain't gotta be perfect. Ain't gotta be perfect. Give me, I'm a little shaky here. I haven't actually cooked on camera in quite some time, so I'm almost nervous. I've been too busy, feeding goats and cutting grass and chasing pigs. The homestead life, as it were. Get that bad boy just wrapped up. Bang! I'm gonna turn my crock pot on high for about 5 hours, give or take. Alright, now we're on high. Put that to 6. This is just a Hamilton Beach. I think my mother got me this, hell, 10 years ago or something. But yeah, I'll come back to that in about 5 hours, and I'll show you the next process that is involved after that. And meanwhile, over here, while the crock pot's doing what it's doing, anybody who ever listened to ICP in their late 90s might find some... ICP was so terrible, but they had a song where they talked about Faygo, and they find it ironic. I now live where they sell Faygo. Anyway, black pepper on the bacon, because I'm going to make some jalapeno cheddar grits to go with this, to wrap it together. Yeah, gotta have a binding agent to go with all the grease, you know. But then you gotta put the peppered bacon in the jalapeno grits. Alright, so flash forward about 4 hours and 30 minutes. That's how long these things been cooking on high. They're coming out of here, and they're going on there, because they're going to go under the broiler, so I can now make the bacon crispy. The chicken should fall off the bone at this point, but I want the bacon to be crispy too. Alright, so here's the part where I cheat a little bit. And I'm going to use instant grits, because, well, I found a box of these on sale in Kentucky for like $1.09, and they're fabulous. That's the leftover peppered bacon. Time to pull those things out of the oven and flip them over real quick. That right there, folks. That is what you call Homestead Kitchen Favorites. Jalapeno cheddar grits with peppered bacon, bacon wrapped drumstick. Hell, you don't even need the spoon, fork, however you eat them. You could literally just dip your drumstick in the grits. Check back next time where I make something else tasty.